بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله الكذب وهو يدعى إلى الإسلام والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين يريدون ليطفئوا نور الله بأفواههم والله متم نوره ولو كره الكافرون والذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون.
I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Paikon College, Dr. Professor Nurun Nabi, to welcome our guests and students, please.
My friends and my colleagues and distinguished guests, and we are going to continue this iftar party every year.
But I'm determined you shall enjoy yourself, and I won't speak for more than a few minutes. What has already thrilled me and filled my heart with not just melody, but peace and love.
I'm delighted to be here tonight. Actually, I have visited quite a number of colleges in and around Tower Hamlet, but this is the first time I had an opportunity to come and visit this icon college. And I would like to thank my friend Dr. Mohammad Nurun Nabi for showing me around. And I was impressed so much when I looked at the classrooms, the engineering lab, and the computer labs and other rooms. And it took me nearly 40 years back, and it reminded me that when I came to this country, actually I entered into this country as a student, like many of you here tonight. And some 40 years ago, those days were different. And when I came, I was also a student of H&D Business Studies. And when I came and looked at your prospectus, I found that you have got also H&D Business Studies. And I was thinking that I had to travel all the way from London to nearly 400 miles away in a city called Middlesbrough to have that degree for H&D. And now, in the heartland of the Tower Hamlet, in the heartland of the Bengali community, you students are so lucky that you are getting this sort of degrees and diploma.
So I have been here from the very beginning, and I feel privileged and honored to be part of the Icon.
So I'm actually wishing you the best and wishing the Icon College best as well.
A good education with the good standards for you guys. Thank you very much.
Can see us. What is the teaching for us, for the students? I can say Icon College has built up a moral values in this, not only in this community, in our society. We try to build up our students that they can serve the community as a honest person.
ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا هب لنا من لدنك رحمة
الله آمين.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم.